Hi, my name is Saleh. I'm gonna talk about using fire extinguisher. The main learning outcome of this section is to enable learners to know how to use the fire extinguisher very effectively in case of fire occurs. The section consists of three parts. These parts are the elements which cause the fire to start. Second part, parts of fire extinguisher, and the third and last part is how to use fire extinguisher when fire occurs. The first part, there are three elements to start the fire. The three elements are the flame, the fuel, the oxygen. These elements have to be combined, have to exist at the same time to start the fire. The absence of any one of these elements wouldn't cause the fire to start. The source of flame comes from lighter, friction surfaces, and hot surfaces. The fuel could be gas, benzene, wood, or a piece of cloth. The oxygen usually comes from the environment, surrounding environment. The fires can be extinguished if one of these elements are taken away. Now I'm going to talk about the main parts of fire extinguisher. Despite the difference between the fire extinguishers, they are consist mainly of the same elements, the same parts. These parts are pressure gauge to indicate the pressure inside the extinguisher, handle used to start using the extinguisher, inspection tag to show the inspection schedule of the extinguisher, the tank which contains the material, label shows some data regarding the type of extinguisher, the safety pin, and the hose. These are the main parts of the fire extinguisher. How to use the fire extinguisher? Always remember the word pass. This word pass consists of 4 letters. The first letter P start as a start. It's indicate the first step, which is pull the handle of the extinguisher. The second step starts with the letter A, aim to the base of fire. The third step start with S, squeeze the handle, and the fourth step means sweep the extinguisher from side to side while using the extinguisher. These steps have to be followed in order. You can't start with step number 2, which is apparent before using before pulling the handle, before pulling the pin. You can't use so these steps have to be or have to be followed in order. Remember, before using the fire extinguisher, that you are experienced, or at least have the knowledge to use the fire extinguisher. Have the courage. Don't use it with big fires. If the fire get bigger and bigger, try to find the quickest way to escape. These are the points which have to be remembered. The next slide will show a demonstration how to use the fire extinguisher. The demonstrations can be seen now.
Aim at the base of the fire, not the flame. Breathe the trigger and sweep at the base of the fire.
Thank you very much.